Hey, what's good, gang? My name is Jewel, and today I'm going to teach you how to drip out your avatar with accessories. Now, adding accessories to your avatar is pretty easy. All you gotta do is parent the item that you want to put on your avatar under your avatar's hierarchy. To do this, we need to first get out a dev tool. If you don't know how to use a dev tool in an inspector, you can see my guide up there on that card. It only takes about 4 minutes to learn how to use the inspector at a basic level. You can get a dev tool by going to your dashboard, clicking on Inventory, opening the Resonite Essentials folder, going to Tools, and finally selecting the dev tool. It's the first one in the list. When you do that, a dev tool like this is going to spawn out. Here's how it looks up close. Once you got a dev tool equipped, now you can start working on your avatar. For this part, I suggest spawning out a copy of your avatar. For this demonstration, I'm going to be adding hair to my avatar. So using my dev tool, I'm going to use the secondary action button to select my avatar, open my context menu, and click Open Inspector. Now I need to just get out the item that I'm going to be parenting to my avatar. Once you have the item that you want to parent to your avatar, you just want to select it just like you did the avatar, open your context menu, open Inspector, and then you want to go to the root slot of your item so that you can move it over. Once you get there, simply grab the slot with your dev tool and then move it over to the part of your body that you want to add the item to. In this case, for my hair, I'll be having it on my head. Let go, and you'll see that it moved the slot to my avatar's head. Once it's parented to your avatar, you'll see that it moves with your avatar. Now we just got to position it in the right place. To do this, you can double click the model slot to select it. From here, reset its position and its rotation. Now that we have it roughly where we want it to be, we can make more fine-tuned adjustments. Again, I'm going to select this so that the gizmo pops up, and I'll be using this gizmo to move it around on my avatar's head more precisely. Gonna get it, good enough. And there we go. Just like that, I've got it on there. And as you can see, when I move around, this moves around with me. From here, there are a few extra things that you might want to do depending on your use case. For things like hair that you don't want people to just grab off your avatar, find the Grabbable component on the model, simply disable it by unchecking the enabled field. Now, people can't grab your hair. If you've got hair like mine that covers your eyes, you'll also see that in your view. If you want to fix this, you're going to need to add one component. It's called RenderTransformOverride. You can add the component by clicking Attach Component, and that'll spring out this menu. From here, you'll want to go to Rendering, and then scroll down until you find Render Transform Override, and double click it to add it to the slot. What Render Transform Override does is it lets you change how something is rendered in a particular kind of view, because we want to change how the user wearing this views the model. From here, select Scale Override, and just make the number really small. Don't make it 0, that causes issues. For this, I'm just going to set it to 0.1, so that's 10%. Once you do this, as long as you're holding or wearing the avatar, it'll be rendered differently based on these settings that you chose. With this, you'll no longer see the hair in your eyes. But for everyone else, in cameras, mirrors, everything, they'll still see it normally, like you do see me. Right now, I can't see my hair, and that's everything you need to add accessories to your avatar. It's as simple as moving one slot under another. Now, depending on what you want to add to your avatar, you'll put it under different slots. So if I wanted to add rings, I would find my hands, my fingers, and then put it under the ring. For my earrings, those are all parented under my ear slot. That should be everything you need to know to accessorize your avatar. It's really fucking easy. With this, you can add rings, earrings, hair, collars, skateboards, like anything you want. All it takes is just parenting it under a slot, and that's that. I hope this guide helped you out. If it did, leave it a like. If someone you know needs help parenting items and accessorizing their avatar, send them this, and have a wonderful day.